everyone! Welcome back to Lady English Channel. Grab your coffee, take a deep breath. Today we're talking about something we all do every single day, our daily routine.
Hello, beautiful people. I'm Marvel, and welcome to another episode of Lady English Channel. If you've ever wondered how to describe your morning, your habits, or your day in natural English, this one's for you.
All right, let's wake up together. What's the first thing you do when you open your eyes?
For me, honestly, I check my phone. Then I drink water and stretch a little. You?
I make my bed, always. It makes me feel like the day's starting right. Then, coffee, my morning superhero.
Same here. Coffee is life. Okay, listeners, here are some easy ways to start your day in English. I wake up at 7. I take a shower and get dressed. I drink coffee before work.
Nice. And if you want to sound more natural, say, I grab a quick breakfast. I start my day with music. I take the bus to work.
Part 2. Here's a quick tip. We use the present simple tense for routines like I go, I eat, I work. It's short, simple, and sounds natural.
Exactly. And if you want to make your sentences more interesting, add time words in the morning, after lunch, before bed.
So you can say, in the morning, I make coffee, or before bed, I read a book. Boom. Simple and smooth English. Part 3.
Let's build a short daily routine together. I wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower, eat breakfast, and go to work.
Good. Now let's make it sound real. I woke up around 7. I grab my phone, check messages, and make coffee.
Perfect. Now it's your turn, listener. Say your routine out loud. Even one sentence helps. Go on, try it.
Yes, don't be shy. Your English grows every time you speak it.
Part 4. Evening vibes. All right, let's move to the evening. After work, I like to cook dinner, talk with my family, and just chill.
Same here. Sometimes I go for a short walk, then watch a show before bed. Here are a few easy evening phrases. I get home around 6. I make dinner and relax. I go to bed at 10.
And if you want to sound more fluent, you can add emotions. I love relaxing after a busy day. I feel tired but happy in the evening.
That's the kind of real English that connects not just grammar, but life.
All right, quick review before we go. Use a present simple for your daily routine. Add time words like in the morning, after work. Make it real. Talk about your life.
That's right. Learning English is easier when you talk about you. So here's your challenge for today. Write 3 sentences about your daily routine in the comments below.
We'll read some of your answers in our next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's learning English too. And tell us, what's the very first thing you do in the morning?